The jacaranda is a subtropical tree species native to South and Central America. It also grows in the southern states of the USA, in Mediterranean countries, South Africa and Australia. The jacaranda has compound fern-like leaves and beautiful blue or purple flowers, which are up to 2 inches or about 5 centimeters long and grouped in large panicles. They appear in spring or early summer and last for up to 2 months. So how do you care for your jacaranda bonsai? The jacaranda needs a lot of light and temperature should not fall under 15 degrees Celsius or about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Especially when they are planted in a bonsai pot, jacaranda trees must be protected from lower temperatures. If the jacaranda is kept inside the house all year, it will be difficult to reduce the leaf size. Keep the root ball slightly moist. If it dries out, the leaves shrink, turn brown and fall off. Use a liquid fertilizer during the growth period every week. In winter, once every 2 weeks. Jacarandas grow strongly. Shorten the new shoots to 1 or 2 leaf pairs when 4 or 5 have grown. Strong pruning is best done in spring. The largest leaves can be cut off at any time during the growing season. Wiring is possible, but the wire should be removed after 3 months at the latest. Wire young shoots when they begin to lignify. Repot the jacaranda every 2nd year in spring using a well-draining soil mix. The jacaranda can be propagated from seeds and softwood cuttings. Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.